Hey guys, Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. So let's go ahead and get started. I feel like I always say that in every one of my videos. So this is my new Happy Planner teacher layout for the 2024-2025 school year. I'm really excited about it. I always get the big layout. I'm a high school teacher, so if you're watching this and you're an elementary teacher, no disrespect, just I don't know how your job really goes. So make your own conclusions. I just like a good old-fashioned unboxing of taking all of this like stuff off and things like that, so that I can see what my planner actually like looks like, you know, before and after I get started. So let's go ahead and take these off. There's all these little pages. So they try to show you this and then it's all tied up, so then you can't possibly see what the spread actually looks like. And it's not neutral like that, so I feel like it's always a little bit misleading. Let's get my Fiskars scissors. And my Michaels has definitely reduced its amount of teacher happy planner stuff. They had like, this was on an end cap, and then the stickers were just hanging on the side of the end cap, like the teacher stickers, which I didn't pick up the teacher stickers because I'm pretty sure I still need to use mine from last year. All right, let's go ahead and take this off too. So much to throw away. The back is dark green. So I went with this one. It's got a little bit of foiling on the front cover. It says grow your own way, which I thought was really cute. And then it has light pink discs with little hearts like it's always supposed to. The hearts. And then it has pink stripes on the inside here. Sorry for my lighting umbrellas. And then we have some more plastic to take off. So this is the part, they put this in here and then you literally can't open it in the store. So another reason I like to do unboxings. So this is all orange and it says Happy Planner Teacher Edition. This big Happy Planner belongs to. And you can put your name, your school, your room number, the school address, or yours. I would suggest putting the school address. And then it has the year down here and it says Teach a Happy Life. So I thought that was adorable. This is the academic calendar at a glance. I think I'm actually going to do it this year where I take the school calendar and I color code the dots. I think it would be really helpful for me. I usually never have time to sit down and do that. This is a substitute teacher page. I've seen people take this out, laminate it, or they just leave it behind for the sub and I guess hope that they don't ruin it. This doesn't work for me because I'm a high school teacher. We don't have recess. So there is that. I usually do leave who my reliable students and co-workers are, and any additional notes and things like that. So, but we have a template that we have to use at work. I don't know if you guys have seen, but this center part has little stars that are all different colors. Love that. Then you have your kind of like month at a glance. So these are good for if you're in a meeting and you quickly want to jot down dates of things that they're saying. I like to use this for that. Or if you're planning like in advance or things like that, then that helps. So this is for July, which I wasn't going to use this planner for July because I got the other little B6 planner that I unboxed, the Night Owl one. I was using that for my summer school class because it's online and I'm only teaching one class. So I won't really have anything to put in here for July. I will probably rip it out. This is really cute. Sometimes I rip this stuff out and then I laminate it and hang it up in my classroom. So that's probably what's going to happen. But it has a big orange on there and it says squeeze the day, which is fun. And then there's some flip-flops, a watermelon, a popsicle, and a beach ball down here. I love the layout of priorities, important, and then taking notes because we have a staff meeting at least once a month. Here's the month at a glance view. I love the deco up here. Last year, I really faced a problem not having a whole lot of time to decorate my planner. There was just a lot more hands-on work involved. So there's a stripe going on in the middle here for July. And then look, this is literally what I would do with my washi tape. So I don't really keep a lot of washi tape at work, so I like that this is already up here for me. So this is what the weekly layout looks like, and then you've got some washi type print down here as well. Now it is the same for the entire month at the top. The way I use my teacher planner, obviously the days are on this side, so we are on a block schedule, and then I only have 3 of those classes a day, and then I have a conference block. So I usually reserve one column, like the first column, for my to-do list, and then I put like the block numbers across here. This last year, we also had like an intervention time, so I just ended up putting the intervention time, I think, in this column, and I didn't have a box for my to-do list. So that was kind of annoying, but I can change it any way I want and whenever I want, so it's fine. All right, here, let's take a look at August. August is wild and free cowgirl boots with some wildflowers growing out of it. I love flowers. The beach theme is still going on down here. I don't think it's like that every month, but maybe because it's the end of summer. Some people get all of August. We actually start school in August. So you have your priorities and take notes. Let's take a look at this. It looks like it has the beachy vibes up here, and then it has some flowers up here. So that's the same as July. Just taking a quick peek to see. And then here's the weekly spread. So is that the same as July? Okay. So it looks like the top and the bottom might have similar things for the month of July and August. Is it the same all the way through? That would be funny that I didn't even know that. Because July is definitely the stripes, and I don't know. I guess because it's still summer. So we start school the 19th. All right, so September. Let's take a look at September. This one has create something beautiful every day, and it's kind of like an art theme. Over here, I'm seeing some crayons and then like a little mushroom tag and some flowers, so it's not the summery stuff. So maybe it's seasonal. Maybe a couple of months are the same. We'll have to look. And September with one of those little stars that we saw at the beginning, and then it has the year. Put some holidays down here, Labor Day and Patriot Day. So let's look at the month at a glance. Yeah, so we're getting some fall leaves and flowers and mushrooms, and then we're getting some school supplies, butterflies, this looks, I don't know what this is. It's like a tag, but then it kind of looks like one of those things people used to fill with water. All right, so then look, September is different. We have stars up here, and then the color tone has changed in this bottom washi tape. So we have more of a maroon, purple, orange, red, and yellow down here, okay? So it does change there. All right, October. Hey, it's that bottle again. Okay, so it's a bottle. It's definitely a bottle. It says seek magic in every day, and then it has some mushrooms and some stars. That makes sense for Halloween. And then it looks like October, and these colors are all the same as September. And then it has some holidays down here for you. And then here's the month at a glance. This is the same as September. I can tell you that. And then the week at a glance. The week at a glance. The week spread pick is the same. It looks the same as September. So yeah, it's seasonal in that, yeah, is that the same? Okay, this looks a shade darker, honestly. Not sure if that's a printing thing or what. It looks like the same exact print, but this looks darker. I'm just saying what I noticed, All right, November. The tabs are also colorful on one side and then neutral on the back side. And then the words on some of them are foiled. So here we have November. It says pumpkin spice and all things nice. I love this. I love pumpkin. Not a huge fan of hot pumpkin latte though. So I usually get like it in a frappe. But this one has foiled stars on it and then like the little splash over here. So that's really fun. You got our holidays down here. So this looks the same as September and October as far as the deco in the corners. And the top is also the same. You still have the moon and stars and then the stripes at the bottom. So that's all similar. Then we get to December, and I bet it's going to change. Yep, there's a little Christmassy hot cocoa over here and some candy and hearts and like a little like green snowflake. Love this. I've made a paperclip that kind of looks like this and this and this and that. So it says warmest winter wishes. I love peppermint coffee or cinnamon hot cocoa. Love that too. And then this is all red now instead of that golden color. December's not foiled. It's just green. Here's our month page. So over here we have, that one looks like a chocolate covered strawberry for a second. And then we have a cookie over here and some candy, and we have that hot cocoa and some cookies over there. And then, oh, I love the Bill of Rights Day is in there. All right, and then here's our week spread for December. So this changed over to red, and it looks like snow now, even though the stars are very similar. like to what was in the monthly spread for November. The stars are very similar, but it was like they added a few things and the little dots made it look like snow. So I like that. The bottom has changed in color again. So it's green, purple, pink, yellow, red. In case you're keeping up with that. All right, January says grow, shine, dream, love, inspire. Adorable. I love that. I love the like seasons. So we have like some spring here. We have the rainy clouds. We have the love for Valentine's Day and then inspiring. January is still in red and does have the Christmassy hot cocoa. So I will say that. I feel like in January I'm like, no more Christmas stuff, but that's okay. It's seasonal. It's seasonal planner. So the top here is the same as well. So January, you still have that red up there, which I would prefer more of like a blue probably, but it's whatever. The pink tab for February is shiny, very holographic. This one is also still red, and then it says living the sweet life and has a bunch of candy. And then the little sprinkles are all foiled pink. Adorable. That's probably why there's hearts, because they're like, we're going to make this decor go all the way through. So yeah. So February, you still have the hot cocoa, and then you still have like the stocking and stuff. But that's probably why there's a chocolate covered heart over there, is because they're keeping the same one for like a few months. So keep that in mind as you get it, because I'm like, about that right now. All right, March matches the cover. Grow your own way, except for it's not foiled at all. And then it's green up here now. And then down here we have a ladybug, flowers, a watering can, and some more flowers. Not sure you guys can see that real well. So you can see it up here. This is what was over in the corner. There's a snail. Oh my gosh, I literally made that. Look, it's the same. Except for mine has a bow. All right, and then we have some daffodils and tulips over here for March. I love that. And then, oh, they totally changed this one. So up here is now flowers and some green dots. And then our colors down here are yellow, orange, pink, like a dark green, and then like an olive green. Okay, and then April is purple. The little tab is purple. Says spring flower, happy hour. That's adorable. The watering can, you've got butterflies, you got the snail again, the ladybug, some daffodils and tulips, and then this is green. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So this is the same as the previous month. And so is this one. So like I said, it's like every few months they change it out. So let's look at May. May has some groovy boots, and it says stay golden. It was like for May, they were like, what do we do? And then there's some flowers with some checkers inside. And then the May part is green. And then you still have the watering can down here. So I'm going to say this is probably going to be the same. Yep, same as the last 2 months. So it seems like every 3 months it changes. Same as the previous month as well on the top and the bottom. Not seeing any color changes either. I do feel like that printing was a little different on the other one. June is blue, and it says summer state of mind, and it has the sunshine, flip-flops, and orange, a drink, watermelon, popsicles, lemons and limes and oranges, and beach balls. And that deco is over here as well. I did end up using my June planner. I ended up using June in my teacher planner because I did teach a summer class in June as well. So that was kind of nice to have, especially for note taking, because when you teach online, there's a lot of online Zoom meetings. So then it changes, as you can see. This one was green, and now this one is blue up top with some cute white flowers and pink dots. And then down here, it's like a bright yellow, pink, blue, a brighter green, and an orange. Okay, and then the very back always comes with a checklist. So this one says celebrate every day. There's an additional notes page. You can always add more. You just buy the pack. And then this has classroom checklist. You can use this for attendance, for participation points, whatever you're trying to do. So usually you put the names here, and then you put the assignment and dates up here. The only other thing I know to do for this is, instead of writing the names again, unless you have multiple classes, you can fold this over behind, and then it lines it up. So that's a teacher hack, because I have done a paper book before. I have done. But being that I'm a high school teacher and I have multiple classes and I teach most of them for a year long, this doesn't typically work for me. Although I could use it, it's just a little difficult for what I do. So I usually just go ahead and take these pages out because it just adds weight to your planner, and I keep my planner in my backpack every day. So that's the classroom checklist. Maybe you want to use it for jobs. Maybe you want to use it for attendance or trying to do more participation points or something like that. You can track whatever you want in here. You could track data. I don't know. It's whatever. All right, and then the back here is just pink stripes, and it says plan a happy life. The other one said teach a happy life, so I thought that was fun. Really like the stars on the center as well. I think that's really fun right there. And then the back is dark green, and it's by Jess Miller Draws. So that's who designed all of the dividers and things for this planner. So that was the one that I picked up. There is plenty more. There was another one that I considered. It was one with like scissors and glue. But if you're a teacher, I would love to know what teacher planner you're using. I have used the one that my school has given me before. That's what I started out planning in. And then I have used the Erin Condren teacher planner in the past as well. I've also used the Happy Planner classic size teacher planner, and I found that this big one just works better for me. It has the space, it has the lines in the boxes that I want, which normally I'm like, in my at-home planner, I'm like, no lines, but in my teacher planner, I do want lines. So there you go. That is my planner for this next school year. I will put my classroom wish list in the description box below as well, in case you're wanting to donate supplies to my classroom and my students. So that will be a lot of fun as well. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.